Albuquerque Florist is the proud Set Flowers sponsor for New Mexico Living.
All right, founded in 1906, Lieber's Luggage is a family-owned and operated business with a centuries-long tradition of excellence in travel goods.
To say the least, with roots in the great city of Cleveland, Ohio, and a strong presence in Albuquerque since 1978, Lieber's Luggage is committed to providing high-quality, durable, and affordable travel solutions. And they have a legacy collection that's the gold standard when it comes to travel luggage, and I'm going to test it out today. We are joined by Lieber's Luggage President Dustin Boyd and owner Felicia Boyd, highlighting the luggage options they have that are game changers when it comes to travel. Guys,
welcome back, guys.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Hello.
Okay,
It's good to be back.
You guys are probably wondering why I look like a human minion right now.
I'm here for it.
There's a reason for that.
Yes.
Talk to me about this.
So you are a Liebling today,
Yes.
and the Liebling is going to help us show you why our luggage is so durable.
Okay.
This is a polypropylene shell, and our claim to fame with our bags are they're repairable and very durable. So
Okay.
I'm glad
All
you're
right.
wearing your safety.
Let's get to it.
Here we go, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no,
Dustin's mic's falling off with that.
So
It's
there we go.
okay.
All right, but we are going to test this, the durability.
Okay.
You are going to do. You are going to just jump
Perfect.
right in
Way
the
to save
middle,
it,
if you
Felicia.
will. Yeah,
Right
right
here?
there.
Okay,
I
want you
need
guys to
to
see this.
line up here.
Just so
You're
y'all
gonna be right
know,
here
just so
and
y'all know,
jump
I
right
am
there.
6'3",
I
225
will take this.
pounds.
This is it.
So
We're gonna
these
show
things are durable. They say they are.
Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
You really
Doesn't
went
look
for
good.
it.
I did.
Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. But let me show you.
Okay, it's completely folded in. Looks like a very heavy man jumped on it.
It absolutely looks like it just collapsed. You're joking.
Whoa!
It's like good
So,
as new.
polypropylene shell. It is super durable. It is repairable. All the parts
the
can
spin.
go back in. This can do this forever. So we're talking about it's a very sustainable bag.
There's like
Look at this,
minimal
guys.
scuffing
Yep.
on that
Look at
too.
this.
and
Minimal.
those were on your shoes. So
Yeah, wait.
very durable bag.
What's
So,
up?
so Logan,
Wow.
I mean, right now we're assembling these in the store. We've got all the parts. We've got factory pricing. It's a great time to come buy a bag.
Yeah.
I was telling you, we just got back from the travel goods show in Las Vegas, and this bag really resonated with all of our friends in the luggage industry. So this bag is placed throughout the country from coast to coast in other small specialty retailers.
That
That's
just speaks,
amazing.
yeah, it speaks volumes to the product itself, to what you guys are making over at Lieber's Luggage. Tell us about how that travel show went. It sounds like it went really, really well.
Oh, it was so fantastic. We, again, just so many people came by the booth. They saw our process. They were so excited about the repairability, the local story. Again, we're a small local business, and be able to do this is fantastic with your help. But we also brought some new travel tech.
Yes, we have new things, innovative things.
That's right.
Okay, what is this?
This is a clear stadium bag. So we get a lot of people coming into the store looking for clear bags for different purposes, concerts, what have you, games. So every so often we have people looking for a large backpack.
Yeah.
So this is our Lieber's Luggage Stadium large backpack, extra large. And then on the inside here, there's a mesh folder if you want to put
awesome.
things in
So-
there,
so
and
these
mesh
are
pockets
super
on
durable.
the side if you
Yeah.
have like a water bottle that you want to put in there.
That's the thing, because when you go to these stadiums, oftentimes they say if you're going to bring a bag in, it's got to be clear.
Right.
So
Anytime I go anywhere
go.
that's like a public event, I always check to see what the bag policy is, because we
Yes.
are seeing a trend in clear bags only. And so
Absolutely.
it's fantastic that you guys offer something of this size, because if you're like a mom or something and you've got to bring a lot of stuff with you, you need a bigger bag.
Exactly.
So that's fantastic.
yeah, this is incredible stuff. Can you guys talk to me a little bit about the philosophy at Lieber's Luggage?
Absolutely. So it's service and quality and value. Service and quality. That's really all we have is to stand behind our products. Anything that breaks, we're there. We're in the store. We can fix it. We can take care of it. Service and quality. We want generational customers to come in and shop with us. So
The quality is absolutely
Yeah.
amazing on this bag, guys. Like you saw, my 225-pound body leaped into the air. I careened down onto this thing. It folded in, and then Dustin just popped it out. Bada boom, bada bing.
that's it.
Good to go.
Looks brand new. So how many sizes do we have with this line?
3 sizes.
Okay.
2 colors. So again, it's black and mocha. This is the carry-on, and our carry-ons fit. We just had them tested. They fit in the Southwest Airlines, fully expanded. So this is an expandable suitcase. It has a 2-inch expansion. All of the sizes do. You remember the pseudo for your coats and your dresses.
Absolutely.
So you have those kinds of things. We just have everything but the trip at Lieber's Luggage.
I love the tagline. And you were saying too, a lot of the people that came and stopped by your booth during the travel show, they loved that these are repairable.
Yes.
How different is that from other companies? I mean, do we see a lot of companies that are repairing their own luggage to give that like durability aspect?
There are some that do, but the thing with this bag is that we make it to repairing it easy.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times if you get like a suitcase, a spinner like this one with wheels, you're not able to access the screw that holds it together. So that holds it to the bag. So with these, we made them relatively easy for people to fix it themselves. Like we can send them a wheel, they could screw it back in with a regular screwdriver.
And here's the thing about
That's
this
incredible.
is this can take a lot of wear and tear as well. You know how you're in the airport. I know you guys have looked out the window from time to time and seen those guys checking your bag onto the, that just happens. They're busy, it happens. This can take all that and then some.
Keep your stuff safe.
Yes, absolutely. If someone's gonna go buy luggage, summer travel is here. Why should we go to Lieber's?
Without a doubt, I mean, the value, this bag is an incredible value
Really
for our
is.
customers. I mean, really, we designed this to be affordable.
Yes.
Albuquerque, our area, we know everybody has a budget. This is a budget bag. So it has factory pricing. It will outlast us all. We have the parts. That's the biggest thing. I can't tell you how many people's eyes light up when they're like, you have the wheels, you can screw them in. It's really a big deal. It doesn't sound like a lot, but here it is.
And then
it is nice.
I want to show you this. We're going to get on camera 11. Zoom back a little bit over here, Aiden. Can you do your bag spin for us again? Your bag spin. This guy's classic with the bag spin. Hold on. Here we go. Wait. We're going to get your shot.
Okay.
We're going to get your shot. There it is. Dustin's always spinning, winning,
Well done,
and
Dustin.
grinning.
Good job.
I like
Spinning,
it.
winning, and grinning.
It's Lieber time.
It's the Lieber time, all right?
How
Guys,
did you feel being a Liebling today?
I think I have a new calling.
I think so too.
If you guys want me to jump on bags, hide in bags, throw my body in the bags,
Hide in
I will. Where are you guys located? I know, hide in bags. I'm just kidding. Where are you guys located? What are your hours of operation?
6515 Manal Boulevard, Northeast. We're across from Coronado Mall, across from Furniture City at Manal in Georgia.
Yep.
And our hours are 10 to 5:30, Mondays through Saturday.
Friday, 10 to 5.
Monday through
Perfect.
Friday.
Sunday 11 to 4. And
Sunday
then every
11
day
to
at
4.
Liebers.com.
Every day at Liebers.com. That's where you can find all those hours of operations, address, get a look at kind of the stuff that they're selling there. The Boyds, friends of the show. We love having you guys here.
I love that I got to be a Liebling
I want
today.
to do it.
Do it. Give it a spin.
Oh, I'm on the carpet. It's not
you
going to
can't do
work.
it. You can't
Okay,
do
still
it.
cool though.
All right, Monica, can you do the tag? Do I look like
I'll
I'm in
read
the
it.
airport?
Okay.
Bye.
For more information
I'm
on
going on
this
a trip.
entire interview, you can head over to krqe.com and click on the New Mexico Living tab. Don't go anywhere. There is more New Mexico Living headed your
He's
way
a
after the break.
professional now.
First, though,
We'll
check
see
on your
you on
local
Sunday.
forecast.
It's now time for the National Roofing Weather Update.